Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows security blank in your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows security is blank on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the start menu and type here Windows security. You can see Windows security. Just click on this app setting, scroll a little bit, just click on this reset. Just click on reset. After completion of the reset, check hope your problem is fixed. Still you are facing the issue, then click on start menu, then type here regedit. You can see a registry editor. Just click on that, click on installer. In this you can see here, first I will close all this one. You just need to copy the path from my video description link and paste in the address section. Just copy and paste it here and hit enter. This you can see start. Just double click on that and it set value to 3. After that, just click OK and click OK and close this window. Guys, after doing this second method still you are facing the issue, and try the third and final method. Just right click on the start menu, click on Windows Terminal Admin, click on yes. Here you need to copy the command from a video description link and paste it here and hit enter. That's it guys. In this way you can fix Windows security blank problem on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.